you been?
I have someone for you to meet.
It's not Bonnie, is it?
No,
No? Okay.
it's Marsaby.
And what is this?
She's our newest band member.
Oh, really?
No, sister.
Oh.
Gets a third of your cut, by the way.
She must have paid more than I did.
So, anyway,
All
this
right.
is Marsaby.
Marsaby?
Say hi, Marsaby. Hi, Marsaby. So, what is it that you're going to play for us today? What instruments do you play? All the same ones that you do, silly. Wow. Even saxophone? Yes, of course. Wow.
So you're a ventriloquist now?
Actually, yes.
Yes. You know, you're not doing it correctly.
Sure I am.
No. They're not supposed to see your mouth. No, that's still not right. It's still not right. You need to throw your voice
Which direction?
out there so they can hear you.
Out there?
Hi. I need to remember not to be so literal. She takes everything. All right. We have to do a little minor repair here.
Quick, get out the power tools.
We keep this handy just for this sort of thing. No, come on. Okay.
Marcy, did you wrench your back?
Not yet. Getting ready to.
Well, all right.
Not yet, huh?
We need to reinstate our vocal protocols here. So. All right. Okay, all right. I need access. All right. Are we almost ready? Okay. All right. Try your low note, your low notes. All right, pretty good. Middle range. Ready? All right, and the high. All right, very good. Now.
You fixed her. Good job, Will. Good job, Aldous.
Now, we need to work on your pronunciation. All right. We were taught a little ditty by some college professors named Howard, Fine, and Howard, and it works perfectly for this. Is she going to join in? Okay. All right. All right. Are we ready then? Apparently I'm not. All right. All right, let's go. Ready, see? knowledge. Let's go on. Letter H. All right? Letter K.
Woo! Yay!
Letter M.
Yay!
All right. Letter R.
Reboot! Reboot!
Oh.
Reboot!
Let's try
Repair! Reboot and repair.
All right. Come on, you can do it. You can do it. A little more, a little more. There we go, there we go. All right. Now back to it. All right, letter P. Letter P. Letter J.
There's Jay! Hi,
Jay had a
Jay!
request from us.
Oh, he did.
He requested a song the other day.
Oh, he
Yes,
did.
he did. Jada, jada, jada,
Jada!
jada,
Jada, Ju, Jay, G.
Everybody!
Jada! Jada!
jada,
Jada! Jada, Jada, Ju, Ju, G.
jada,
Jada!
jada,
Jada! Jada, Jada, Ju, Ju, G.
jada, jada, doo doo, jada, jada, doo doo, ding. We're Key of Steve.
Woohoo!
All right, let's go back. Get back on track. All right, letter L. All right. Try the right key. Letter B.
Are you tired? Are you on? Well, the answer to all your questions is the bottle. Vitamin investments contains vitamins, meats, vegetables, and minerals. With vitamin investments, you can improve your rate of health.
She just happens to have a pair of boots.
It's a teaspoon.
All you have to do is take a great big tablespoonful after every meal. It's so tasty too. Even though I don't have taste buds, I don't know how I know that. So, get yourself a bottle of vitamin and vitamin tomorrow. That's
good. Letter Q. Y.
Because we like you?
No, the letter Y.
Oh. Y-A-A, Y-B-E, Y-I-N-E, Y-O-Yo, yippee-yi-yo, Y-U-U-Y-I-U.
Let's end this on Z.
Good letter to end on.
She knows all.
Yay!
Is that where we are now?
Not quite. We're at the World Bird Sanctuary.
Ah, birds are
Birds.
not people.
Not the last time I checked, no.
Maybe that
Except
one.
for Agent Owl, of course.
Shh, don't tell anybody.
It's safe with us. Agent Owl is human.
I didn't pay you enough.
Oops.
Oops.
Oh,
I want a refund.
but you have to pay us first.
Well, you know.
Oh, by the way, guess what?
What?
I have a song to teach you.
Now?
Yes,
Right now?
right now.
In the middle of the show?
Of course. Is there a better time to do it?
Maybe in a rehearsal?
Ah. What do you guys think? Do you want to hear me teach Aldous a song?
Go for it.
See?
No guts, no glory, Aldous.
Always.
All right. Always. All right. What did you have in mind?
Well, you remember that piece of music I gave you the other day?
Hi.
It's that thing, wherever that's at.
Let me look it up.
So, this piece that you're looking at, it is by John Bergamo. It's called Piru Bowl, and what it is, it resembles how Eastern Indians learn to drum. No, you were holding it right.
Like this?
So, yeah, you're going to have to teach me this.
That's what I said.
Okay.
I want to teach you.
All right.
All right. So, let's try the first line.
All right.
We're gonna go. Can you keep tempo for us? No. Okay. So here's the first one. Ta din taki ta ta din ta ki ta.
Is this some sort of rap song?
Could be. Not to my
All right.
knowledge.
All right. Well, all right. So
Give it a try.
give it a try. All right.
Repeat after me. Ta din
Ta din.
taki ta ta.
Taki ta ta.
Now put them together. Ta din taki ta ta.
All right. Ta din taki ta ta.
You got it.
Well, there's a lot more stuff here besides just that.
We'll get there.
All right.
We'll get there.
All right.
Okay.
I hope you have a long afternoon. Too.
Of course, there's nowhere else they need to be.
All right.
Right? Right?
All right.
Yeah. Maybe we should just leave. Anyway,
All right. Where are we at?
right there.
Right there.
Din
Okay.
ta.
Din ta.
Din ta kita.